Came across a WBA file in your IBM WebSphere environment and unsure of its purpose? This is a batch analyzer data file used for analyzing batch job performance. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these WebSphere batch analyzer files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your WBA file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. A WBA file contains analysis data generated by the IBM WebSphere Application Server's Batch Analyzer utility. Developers and system administrators use this file to review the performance and behavior of batch jobs, diagnose issues, and optimize application performance within the WebSphere environment. It is a specialized diagnostic output file. The WBA file is a proprietary binary data format structured to store performance metrics, logs, and analysis results from the batch analyzer. This design allows for the compact storage of complex time series data and system states, enabling the tool to quickly load and render the information for review by an administrator. The optimal viewer for the WBA format is generally considered to be IBM WebSphere Application Server from IBM Corporation. Only a dedicated viewing tool can accurately confirm the integrity of the file's content. Windows displays only partial information, so correct interpretation must be done in the appropriate software. Your key action: right-click the WBA file and select Open With. If IBM WebSphere Application Server is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the WBA file opens successfully. If your WBA file will not open, do not worry. Because your WBA file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, opening with Batch Analyzer. Install the IBM WebSphere Batch Analyzer tool from IBM's WebSphere Application Server downloads. Launch the analyzer and use File then Open to load the WBA file. The tool displays batch job execution data with performance graphs, step-level timing, and resource consumption analysis for the captured batch run. Next, reviewing in WebSphere Console. Access the WebSphere Application Server, Administrative Console, and navigate to the Batch Job Management section. Import the WBA file, or correlate it with logged job execution data through the console's batch monitoring features for integration with broader application server monitoring and management workflows. Finally, exporting analysis reports. Within Batch Analyzer, use the export function to generate readable reports in HTML, PDF, or CSV format from the WBA data. These reports can be shared with development teams for performance review and optimization recommendations without requiring the full Batch Analyzer tool to interpret the raw data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.